me, there are many advantages. Like when study, it can make my mind more critical, and it's very useful for our life if we want to decide about something what we face to, and also about what the problem we face to, and all. And also, we can make some relation with our friends that is will help us for our job in the future after we are graduate. And the last, for some poor people, they can change their life through education. That the simple way for them to make relation and out from their poor life. That was about my advantage of studying instead
Okay.
of working.
Okay, so that is the good example when you are saying like some for some poor people so they can level up their what is it their career their life into the better future just because of studying. Yeah, so that is
That is
one of the good one. All right, so take a look at for the following one. So we have these kinds of questions. What do you study? So where do you study? So this is the statement. I study management hotel to be precise. It is a subject like involve learning about hotel, motels, management related to them. I'm second of the years of my bachelor degree. I study at college and then public college that is close to one of the busiest market in Chinatown. So this is about the statement. Yeah, what do you study and where do you study? I would like to ask you, let's say, imagine that you are going to, yeah, let's say you are studying in one faculty. Let's say you are in the postgraduate. So, what do you study? Where do you study? You can make your own dream. I study, so what is your focus and what is it? And then, so you can give the answer about that questions. What do you study? Where do you study? Imagine that you are in that place right now. Or the question like, well, what will you study and where do you, what will you study and where will you study? What will you study and where will you study? Especially for postgraduate. So you need to know. So what is your focus, your subject, and also where is it? Okay, what will you study and
okay.
where will you study?
What will you study? Where will you study? I will study. I will study linguistic, especially English linguistic, because I want to be. Actually, I also want to be a lecturer.
Mhm.
Okay, and it is a subject that learn about syntax or linguistic, and I will later. I will on the second. I mean, like postgraduate of my degree, and I will study at University of Malaysia, that is the top ranking public university in Malaysia.
Okay,
Kuala
so
Lumpur.
the top rank, the first top rank in Malaysia. Okay, so you need to, what is it? According to your statement before, so you need to make it specific. Like, okay, this is a subject about linguistics that learns about you go with the previous with the smallest one. Phonetic,
Oh, phonology, phonetic.
phonology,
Yeah, yeah,
morphology,
yeah.
syntaxis, semantic, pragmatic, and even sociolinguistics. Nah, so
Sure.
that is the hierarchy. Yeah. If we talk about linguistics, Sarita, so we need to know about the hierarchy. Yeah. So the first thing first, phonetic transcription, phonology, and then from the top, sorry, from the bottom is phonetic, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatics, sociolinguistics, even psycholinguistics. Yeah. And also we have the new one. So what is it? Neurolinguistics. And also, what else? The last one is very interesting one. Neurolinguistics and
Oh, for neurolinguistic, that study what the material about.
neurolinguistics is related to neurolinguistic. I just forgot about that one. Neurolinguistics and also linguistics in law as well. Ya, dan juga
Oh,
bahasa Inggris atau bahasa di bidang hukum.
oh,
I
yeah, yeah.
forgot. But so that is the new one, the new subject in linguistics. Uh, Neurolinguistic, if I'm not mistaken. We need to figure out about that one later. All right, so that is the answer. Very good one. So take a look at for another one. Why did you choose this subject? Nah, so you can elaborate. So why you choose that subject? Yeah. Why you choose that subject as your preference. So take a look at this one. Coba dibaca dulu. So please read first.
Okay. I have a relative in Australia who is also doing similar course, but is in the final years of his degree. I used to talk to him couple of years back and through him I came to know that this course is of high value in Australia. Since I'm also planning to pursue Australia later in my life,
No life.
I I thought studying hotel management now will help me once I move there.
Okay, so that is your personal. So that is the personal answer. Yeah, why you choose these kinds of subject. And the most important thing is you need to connect something that is similar for you or uh who inspires you to be to be in this kinds of subject. Yeah. Who inspires you in linguistics? Who inspires you in this subject? And you need to give the information, related to your experience. Okay. Why did you choose study linguistic instead of translation, instead of what is it? Instead of literature, instead of what is it? Public speaking or something. Why did you choose linguistics in your opinion? Okay, you can write down. So give some connected experience. Yeah, who inspires you? Look at that one. Look at that one. I have my relative who is also doing the similar course. So that is the self experience. Yeah. And then so he's looking for uh he's looking for also for something that related to the future. He said that it is high value. Yeah. So you could say, you could put all of the information related to linguistics that linguistic will be very, very popular in 10 decades. Sorry, in 1 decade, in 5 years later. You can say that. Yeah, so give the example. So what is the example? Why did you choose? Why don't you choose another different subject? But why did you choose linguistic for your future subject instead of, yes, instead of translation, instead of become a, is it become a teacher in elementary school, in junior high school? But why you choose linguistics instead of literature, instead of translation, instead of educational? But you choose linguistics for this session. Okay, so why did you choose this subject instead of literature, translation? Yeah, you said that you choose this subject as a linguistics. So why did you choose this subject, Sarita? So tell me your opinion.
Or this pretend that I already postgraduate
Yes, could be.
because couple years ago I took English education that's still related to my previous major. And I used to study with numerous lecturers who studied linguistics, and I think that that was cool because from that I know that in language, not only learn about language, but also we learn about syntax, phonology, social, whatever about that one, and that's will make me more smart. That's the reason.
Okay. So it means that your teacher influenced you to choose this
Yeah.
kind of subject. Okay, so that he's very good teacher, I suppose, because why? Because he or she will encourage you to go to the next level for your future, for your education. Yeah, so that is the good teacher. The good teacher is a teacher who is inspire you, and then who is inspiring you to go to the next future. Okay, okay. So just because of one of the good teacher, yeah, so that's why you need to
Yes,
uh
that
learn about
subject.
linguistics. This subject makes you understand that, wow, so this subject is very interesting one and it's the cool one. Okay, so I think you need to make it deep, like the example. Yeah, so what is the example? So what moment that you think, wow, linguistic is very interesting one? Yeah, but it is okay. Yeah, why did you choose this
Oh.
subject? Just because of the teacher. So it means that your teacher is inspiring you a lot. Okay, next. Nah, this one. This is about one of the interesting one. What do you find the most interesting aspect about your subject? This one. What do you find out? What is
Oh.
the most interesting
When I
aspect?
learn about language, because especially English language, because I want to be fluent in English, and also there I get to learn about the phonology and culture in English, people who speak English, and I find it interesting when I learn phonology. Yeah, that's why I choose that. That's why I think that interesting aspect about my subject,
Okay, in phonology, one of the interesting
phonology.
one. So I believe that when we talk about phonology, so you're very, very good in phonology. So remember when we talk about phonology, phonology is articulatory phonetic. In phonology, we have articulatory phonetic. Do you still remember about articulation? Yeah, so some
Yeah,
sort of
like yes.
terminology in
Yes.
articulatory phonetic. So we have the first one. What is it? Sorry. Okay, the first one we have what is it? We have in phonology we have still remember about statement bilabial, labiodental, yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
dental, alveolar, yeah. Do you still remember about that kind of
Not really.
not really,
Not really.
but again and again, so you need to know about that one because
Still
why?
remember about the syllable.
Okay, you know about the syllable, but you need to know about the terminology. Yeah,
Terminology.
like place of articulation and manner of articulation. Yeah, place of articulation related to what is it? Bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, and palatal, velar, and glottal. Yeah, so you need to know about
Actually,
that.
that's really complicated, but that's also challenging.
Okay, so that was really, really complicated. But the point is, if you know about the table, that is very simple. Yeah, if you know about the table, yeah. Yeah, when you talk about phonology, so it means that how we pronounce, how we make a sound. Yeah, so that is the interesting one when we talk about phonology. Okay, so what about the following one? So this is very interesting one. What do you dislike?
Like
Yeah, what do
about
you
your
dislike about your
study.
subject and study?
The housekeeping is something I simply had. I don't like to be involved in cleaning aspect of houses of others. That subject is all about cleaning and maintaining, though housekeeping is one of the major departments. I find it very unattractive as a career choice.
Okay, you need to find out which one, which kind of topic or subject in your in linguistic that is you don't like it,
Oh,
and you have a difficulty in that kind of topic. So, what do you dislike about your subject or study?
basically, I have to when we have to memorize a lot of branches in linguistic because there are a lot because there's numerous material like that's why I have to memorize all of them, but actually I have to learn about them day by day, not just like oh memorize all of them for one night. That's not good. And though phonology is I mean linguistic is one of the major of language that I found when I learned about it, I found that English is not simple language.
Okay,
That's why.
it's not simple language based on the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, based on the sound. Because why? We can find that we can compare with Indonesian language. In Indonesian language, we have vowel sounds. Yeah, vowel sounds. We have a six vowel sounds. But in English, so we have double,
Double.
12 vowel sounds. Can you imagine that? So that is something that I don't like about English. But I want to learn about this. Nah. So you need
Oh.
to give that statement. Yeah, even though you don't like it, but so it is challenging and I want to study more about this. Yeah. You just give the information, the basic information. Yeah. But again, do not try to copy and what is it? Just make your own statement, Sarita. Just make your own statement. Just
Okay.
make your own opinion. Yeah. Do not copy or something. Just you have your own choice. You have your own what is it statement. Okay. So and then for the following one, this one. What do you hope after your graduation? What do you hope after your graduation? Let's say you are in the bachelor degree right now. So, what do you hope after your graduation? Let's say in post, yeah, let's say sorry, postgraduate. Yeah, postgraduate. Magister of Humaniora maybe, yeah. So, what do you hope after your postgraduate? Coba dibaca.
I have to find a job in a good hotel after I graduate. I want to gain some real world experiences before deciding to pursue my further studies. Besides, I am also hoping to find a teaching position in a vocational college where I can share my learning to the newcomers who are willing to explore the food and beverage industry.
Nah, so you just need to, what is it? Switch, yeah, the orange to your linguistics, to your, what is it? Yeah, related to your graduation. I mean, what will you hope? So what do you hope after your graduation?
I hope to find a job like teacher or lecturer
Mhm.
for intercultural school or university because I think that cool because I teach some student that from another world. I mean like another country.
Every country.
Sorry, uh, and they from another country. And beside of them, beside of it, so I can also learn from them what their culture and how they study how they study. That's
Okay.
why.
How they study, how they treat their life, how they yeah.
How they attitude behavior.
Attitude, behavior, even their culture. So that's the point. Yeah. So culture is one of the good word if we would like to represent why you want to go there. Just because I want to see their culture. Just I want to say I want to know about how they communicate, how they treat, how their perspective about maybe education, maybe about thing, maybe about relate something that related in our daily basis. Yeah. So how they treat their job, how they treat their time. Yeah, because we know that in Indonesia, sorry, in English, so we have what is it? Uh, that is very popular idiom. So what is it? Time is money.
Time
Yeah,
is not.
time is money because in British people, they very concerned about time. So that was the statement. Time is money. So you need to respect about the time. Yeah, do not being late. Yeah, just
Okay.
be on time. Yeah, so that is one of the example. Yeah, so that's the point. What do I have to go after my graduation? I would like to know about their culture, their behavior, how they treat, yeah, how they treat one aspect in our life. One of the example. So what is the difference between Indonesia culture and also British culture, American culture, their culture? Yeah, you can say like that.
And also, I want to make relation with my friends in that school or university because I want to know how they get their job. I want to know they how they get their job and become a good people.
Yeah, so that's a good one. How we want to know how they getting a job and how the job will pay attention for them because why? So that is a different thing. So when we talk about uh yeah, how teacher treated in Indonesia and also how teacher treated
Oh yeah.
in Western country, for instance. Yeah. So we need to compare. So that is the most important thing. All right. So what the last one? what are your ambition for the future?
I have a plan to go to Australia in the future, exploring Australian culture and the hotel industry are my aims in life. Most of my relatives are there, and international culture and lifestyle are always on our thoughts, and that's why I have most of my aims related to Australia.
So you can also make your own future. So your ambition. So what is your goal, another ambition, another dream. So in the future, what is yours? So you need to write down or you just say,
Actually, this almost sounds like mine, but
okay,
the place not same. I mean, the country not same.
okay. So you just try to mix and match. Try to do that. So what is your ambition in the future, for instance?
My ambition is I have to go going abroad because I don't want stuck in Indonesia. I want to exploring world, especially for the country Malaysia and about their culture and also their lifestyle. And also I like being there. Why? Because their country and their city is very clean and very aesthetic, not very aesthetic. That's why I like when I see their city. I mean their country.
So just because you do not want to stuck in Indonesia, just because
And
of
just because
the situation is not really, really cool. And then, so that's a
also
good,
exploring other countries. That's
yes. Well,
my
while you're
ambition.
still young, while you're still single, so all you need to do, just try to explore all of the culture, all of the citywide. Yeah, you can find out there. So one of the closest one is, of course, Malaysia. Malaysia, you can explore there. You can say something in English there because English is what is it? The second language, even the second language, but all of
Most
the
of
people
Malaysians speaks
speak
English.
English. Yes, that's the point. Yeah, instead of Indonesia, we have no partner. We have no environment or society that help us to say something in English, right?
Oh yeah, that's right.
That is a good one. Yeah.
I
All
want
right.
to ask relatives. Most of my relative. So relative means like friends.
Yes, of course. Friends, or like, can we just say that family, part of family, yeah, nephew, your auntie, your your uncle, yeah,
It's
your nephew, your
like
daughter.
saudara,
Yes, could be.
saudara.
Yes, most of relative, it means that your family member. Yeah, it could be, yeah, your maybe some of yours. If you have this, so we call that relative. Do
Relatives.
not say most of my family, no, because in the what is it, in interview, so we mostly say that relatives, so related to our family, related to our culture, and also related to our member of family. Yeah, we call that relative. In bahasa Indonesia, we call that saudara.
Saudara.
Yeah. Most of my family, most of my relative are there, and yeah, international culture, and always bring to the good vibes, the new atmosphere, the new understanding, and also the new, what is it? Yeah, tolerance. Yeah.
Tolerance.
And I believe that when we have a different culture, different culture, different perspective, so it will very, very interesting one.
And also that will make me open-minded.
Yes, so that's the point. Yeah, that's the point. It wide my horizon. It will make me open-minded. Yeah.
Open-minded.
Yeah, so that's a good one. Yeah. Because I do not want to, yeah, just it is what it is ya. It is what it is ya, ya kayak kayak gitu-gitu aja ya, tidak akan pernah berubah. So that's why I need to go out, I need to move from that place. So you need to say that. And then okay, so okay, so for the last question for me about this is all about your study and your ambition. Okay, so when you're saying that you're going to go abroad, so are you thinking about going back to your country after you get a lot of things in that place, and then so are you thinking about go back to your country? Maybe 5 years or 10 years later, you're going to go back to your country. So what do you say?
I don't. Maybe I will stay in going abroad, but I will visit for some days to Indonesia to meet my parents or my relatives. Uh, so I prefer to stay there.
Okay, you prefer to stay there. Yeah. So that's a good one. Yeah. So you prefer to stay there, and then, but sometimes, so you need to go back to visit your family, your parents. Yeah. But
And also my friends too.
yeah, your friends too. Yeah. Okay. So why you have to visit your friends? Yeah, you can make your new friend in abroad, right?
Oh, that's right. But my high school friends still my best friends.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, high school friends still best friends. So it means that you still get in touch with your high school friends.
yeah, especially junior high school and also senior high school. Still
Okay,
keep in touch.
still keep in touch. So okay, so
And
that's
even we just hang out 1 week ago.
okay.
Yeah,
Just you just meet up 1 week ago. Yeah, to meet up and then yeah, talk a lot. Yeah, about your future, about your dreams. Yeah, so that's a good one. Okay, so so that was about study. So I was wondering that so you can make your own answer, Sarita, with this
okay.
one. So we need to find out like you can talk about four statement or five sentence. So you can say give extra detail, give the information, give the example and extra detail. Okay. So do you what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I enjoy watching film, especially Korean drama,
Mhm.
even though that's not related to my major because my major is English, right?
English, right?
And
Yeah.
yeah, again and again because I want to learn new culture and new language.
Yeah,
That's
new
why.
culture and also new language. Okay, so this one, phone number two, the second one.
How
How
much
much time do
time do
you
you
have,
have each
yeah,
week
for doing this
with
activity?
this
How much
activity?
time?
I watch film or Korean drama all just for on the at the weekend.
And the weekend,
At the weekend, especially Sunday on
Sun
Sunday.
on Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I just have a free time on Sunday. That's
Yeah,
why
because I have only a free time on Sunday. So it means that so you use your time
I have
to
to use my
with
free time.
with that one, with that kind of activity. So okay, so it means that 2 hour per day, 2 hour per day. So it means that so you have 4 days. So it means so you have 8 hours. Can you
Eight
say that?
hour.
8
Yes,
hours.
8 hour. Eight 8 hours for work and then go back to home because like every day always repeat like sleep, wake up, going to work, sleep, wake up, going to work.
Okay, so the routine, yeah, routine, yeah. Okay,
Routine
the routine
activity.
activity. Okay, and so why do you like this kind of activity? Why do you like this kind of activity?
Oh, because when I watch film, that's make me more. What's that? Okay, wait. Oh, when I watch the film, that will make me more calm and also make me more happy because sometimes what we want in our life that happened in that film. That's like what's that manifesting? Oh, I want to be like that. Maybe later.
Okay. Manifest or reflection. Yeah, in the
Yeah.
future. Yeah, manifest or reflection in the future because yeah, we can learn from something. Yeah, especially from a movie. The easiest way today, so we can learn from the movie because it could be happen in the future. Yeah, even
Yeah.
though it is an imaginary things, but we never know it will happen in the future. Yeah, one
Yeah,
more
so that's
example.
the simple one, the simple way to learn about many things, right?
Yes, of course. Nowadays, so with internet, so we can find out anything. Yeah, even the story, even the true story. Yeah. Oh, all right. So what about another one? How did you start your this activity first? How did you start doing this activity at first?
Okay. That happened when COVID
Okay,
pandemic
COVID.
era.
Uh,
Yeah, because at that time we we were very boring, right? And
mhm.
we don't know how to killing our time because we cannot going outside due to the lockdown.
Yeah,
So
just
that's why I choose to I choose to watch some movie, and then after that, oh, I really into to the movie.
okay.
That's what.
And then, so your first Korean movie. So,
Yeah.
what was the title? So, tell me a little bit about the story.
The title is Crash. What's that? Yeah. Oh, Crash Landing on You.
So,
Crash
it's all
Landing on
about
You.
still romantic or genre or what?
A romantic genre.
Ah, okay. Okay, romantic one, yeah. So, I have no idea about a romantic in Korean movie, but you know what? When we talk about Korean movie, I still remember about Train to Busan.
Oh, Train to Busan. Yeah, I also
Yes,
watch
Train to
it.
Busan was the amazing story from Korea that is still recalling my mind that so that was the story about
Yeah,
yeah
that's the good one about
it,
zombie, right? Yeah.
yeah. And you know what? It reminds me about a husband as a daddy, as a father, who has what is it? Who has a daughter? Yeah. So even though, so take a look at for the what is it? Indian. Indian is just like what is it? How can we say that? This is sad ending. Yeah.
Oh, September. Yeah,
Have
that's
you ever have you ever see that? Have you ever seen
what's
that? Have you
Korean
ever watched that kind of movie, Sarita?
kind of movie of sad ending.
Sorry,
What?
Train to Busan.
Train to Busan. Yeah. I even watch Korean Train to Busan Peninsula. Yeah. The
Ah,
second season.
oh, second season. Wow, never know about that one. Okay.
Yeah, you have to watch.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Train to Busan Peninsula.
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 Maybe one day at a time, I will try to figure out that one. Okay, for the last one, is there any other hobby or sport do you like to try?
Oh, I want to try tennis because I think tennis is cool for me. That's also the sport can we can do that sport in out in I mean in indoor, not in outdoor, because I don't like activity in outdoor. That's why.
So you choose tennis as your
Tennis.
you want to try. Okay, because when we talk about tennis, that is very similar right now with the popular activity or trend. But how can we say that? Paddle.
Paddle. Yeah, that's
Okay.
paddle.
The question is, do you know paddle, and how do you
You know,
identify? So what makes them different between tennis and also paddle? What do you say?
for the paddle racket, more heavy than tennis racket.
Ah, really?
And
So,
also in the paddle, there's no what's that jaring-jaringnya nggak ada gitu
oh,
Kak.
there's no net. There's no
Yeah, there's
net
no
for.
net. But in the tennis there's net, but on the paddle there's no.
All right. So, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so that is a good one. Yeah, one good hobby and also good trend nowadays. Yeah,
Nowadays, yeah.
yeah. Even yeah in Jakarta, so there are a lot of paddles
Because
court.
tennis, I think tennis trend never die
Oh
instead
yeah,
of paddle.
yeah, because yeah, we can say that paddle is just like
It's
easy
a
come
trend for nowadays, but we don't know about future. Paddle will still trend or no?
exist or not.
Will
Okay.
still exist or no?
Yeah, because nowadays there's like a FOMO kind of FOMO, right?
Yeah, kind of
Easy come,
formal.
easy goes. Yeah, easy come, easy goes. But we need to figure out. Yeah, we need to figure out 3 years. Yeah, if you're looking about the exist about something, so you need to find out about 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah. After 3 years, if they still stand out, they will stand out.
Oh,
Yeah, because why? Just because of the formula. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 9 years. If your business still exists, keep going.
oh,
But if your business is not, yeah,
you have to stop.
you need to stop. Yeah, it is quoted from my friend from China. He's
We have a friend
Chinese.
from China.
He's Chinese, sorry, he's Chinese.
China.
He's Chinese. He's Chinese, and some Chinese people. One of my best friends said that. So that's the clue. Yeah, if your
Oh,
business run in the first years and then it is still a good one, so please do that until 3 years. Within 3 years. Yeah. So if the trend like this, so it indicates that you need to, what is it? You need to continue
you need to continue
your business.
your business.
Yeah. But from the first from the first one until the third one, so your business going to be like this, just stop.
Oh,
Yes. So that is the clue.
that's the
Your
clue.
business
Okay.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Yeah. Ganjil, tahun ganjil. So that's the clue if you want to start your business. What about you, Sarita? Are you thinking about running your business?
Running
Or
my
your own
business.
business?
Actually, I want to run a business of coffee shop.
A coffee shop. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, coffee shop. It is very yeah, very it takes yeah, you can run. Yeah, you can run if you have maybe some
Uh,
budget.
if I have what's that? I if I have what's that? If I have a chance.
If you have a chance, if you have a good team, yeah, you can create your own coffee shop. Yeah. So take a look at that one. So we have Kopi dari Jalan, yeah, Kopi Janji Jiwa with the gerobak. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can find out easily nowadays. But I don't know, it still exists or not, but it depends on the customer. Everything it depends on the customer. You can create, yeah, you can create your own business. So the most important thing so you need to create is your customer. Yeah. You don't need to have a good fancy shop, but if you have no customer, never start your business.
So we have to royal with our customer.
Not about royal, but you need to find out your yeah,
We have to
subscriber.
make our customer royal.
Mm-mm. If you have no customer, never start your business. So that is the most important advice from someone who is running for business.
Because if there's no customer, we don't have income.
Of course,
Yeah.
even you have a good shop, even you have a good interior or something, but there is no customer. No one comes to your shop. So I believe that in 1 year, so you will broke down. Yeah, he said like that. So the most important thing is, so you need to create your customer. Who is your customer? Identify who is your customer. Yeah. So that is the most important thing. Look at
Um,
look at something that was one of the example, Nokia right now.
yeah.
So they left all of the customer right now because all of the customers went to
Samsung or
Android,
iPhone.
Samsung, just
Yeah.
like that. Yeah. So what happened? What happened to Nokia right now? What happened to LG? What happened to Sony Ericsson?
And also, was that BlackBerry?
Yeah, even BlackBerry, right? BlackBerry
Still
also
BlackBerry, yeah.
they left. Sorry, the customer left that brand. Yeah. If you want to create a shop, a coffee shop or something, so you need to create a customer first. Who is your customer?
And also, you have to
Your
innovation.
product. Make
Yeah, innovation.
innovation for your product.
That's the first one.
Yeah.
Innovation, see.
Yeah, something like that. So that we need to adapt in this era because why the era's different, right? Totally different.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So that was about that things. All right. So yeah. What is it? So actually, so it's all about something like another thing. Yeah, another topic about shopping. Okay, I would like to. Do you enjoy shopping and why?
Of course, every woman enjoys shopping,
Okay.
even though online shopping.
Online shopping. Yeah, even though online shopping, you like that kind of activity. Yeah, because every woman enjoy the shopping. Yeah.
Not only women, men also, right?
Yeah. And nowadays, right? You can give
Oh,
the information about
elaborate.
the trend right now because we can get anything only with our smartphone. Yeah. We do not have to go to the shop or market. Yeah. Physically. So we just find out here in our cell phone. So that's why I enjoy shopping. So what about the second one? How much time do you spend shopping for every week?
That same. I go for shopping only on weekends.
Only?
Not only on weekends. Because sometimes on online shop there's a event, special event.
Mm,
When there's special event, there are a lot of discount. That's why that's the best time for shopping.
for
There's a lot
shopping.
of,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, promos. Yeah.
And then, so what is your favorite shop and why you like it? Your favorite
My
shop, why you
favorite
like it?
oh my favorite shop is the brand name is Thanks God It's Friday. That's about back brands
Bag.
because because that quality is very good.
Okay, it's all about
Okay.
cake. Yeah, it's all
No,
about
no. Yeah.
mm,
Back,
bake.
back.
Yeah.
Shoulder back. Yeah.
Huh?
Shoulder back.
Oh, oh, sorry.
Ah.
I thought bake.
Oh, no, no. Shoulder back.
Okay,
Yeah.
bag. Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay, so do you prefer something like bag that related to the popular bag, or you need to find out local one or something new or alternative? Like for me, I like something like very, yeah, something sport like Eiger bag, Calibre, Consina, for instance. So, or what is it? I still remember about backpack. Yeah, backpack.
Backpack,
Sorry,
yeah.
backpack for the name is. Forgot about the brand, but I like that. So, do you prefer the branded one or the popular one or the alternative one? So, what about you?
Actually, I choose my bag because actually I choose my bag
Because of?
depend on my fashion. I mean like my style.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, even though that's from local or from whatever, I still choose. If I like, I will choose it.
Okay,
If
if
I
you
don't
like
know,
it, I
I
choose it.
will not.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You, it doesn't matter about the brand. It
but
doesn't
that
matter
doesn't matter.
where is it coming from or something, right? Okay. And all right, so that was about uh shopping. And so how is your perspective about shopping? How's your
As
perspective? How's your perspective about shopping?
shopping is a good one for me to what's that to recharge my energy because when I buy that's items that mean that will be my rewards for my yeah for my hard work
Okay.
rewards. And
Okay.
also that's make my management, especially finance management, more good because I will decide what will I buy and what will I choose. Depends
Okay.
on my
Finance problem, yeah.
financial, yeah.
Good. Finance problem. Finance. Yeah. So we need to know about, so what is your needs, what is your, yeah, related to your need, and what is your more than, or just like FOMO. Yeah. So yeah, when we buy an item, so it means that we make some reward for ourselves, and then we can decide something in our what is it, priority? Yeah.
Priority.
Then so put that as our priority, decide that buy or not, and it related to my financial management. So that's why we need to
Management.
be
Yes.
wise. We need to be wise when
Yeah,
we
we need to be
use
wise with our
in,
money.
yeah, when for our money, how we use, how we treat our money. Yeah, so that's the point. Yeah, we need to be wise to treat the money because money never coming back from the paradise. Yeah, money never come to the paradise. Never, never. Yeah. So, okay. So that was about how you understand, how you perspective about shopping. Yes, shopping, it is a good activity to recharge. Yes.
Recharge.
Yeah, recharge your energy.
Energy.
Yeah, because why? Because you are as a worker, yeah, as a teacher, we need to do something fun. So one of the good activity that is very fun is, yes, shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah. And buy an item, and then okay, so I would like to give you one of the good what is it, the last information.
Yeah.
If you want to, what is it, is it FOMO or not? So you need to use the strategy 3-3-0 strategy.
330. Oh, what's that? Three
What is
three
that?
zero.
Okay. If the price of your product, if the price of your product is more than
300.
330,000 rupiah. Yeah,
Huh?
more than 330,000 rupiah. So you need to wait 30 days until 30 days. So, you get the point?
Okay.
If
Oh,
you have if you have a product that is more than the price is more than 330,000 rupiah, so you need to wait within 3 days or even 30 days.
oh.
If
Hmm?
if it is still reminding you, you need to buy that.
Oh. So if not, we don't have to buy it.
If it's not, you don't have to buy it. It means that it is only FOMO.
Oh, only for more.
Let's say one of the example. Take a look at this one. My phone was broken, and then I need to what is it? Recharge, retake the battery. So the battery must be the new one, and the price for the battery 350,000 rupiah.
Okay.
And I cannot wait for more than 3 days.
Because the priority.
Yes, important one. So I take that.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
But what about another one? Let's say one of the example. I have, uh, you know what? I want to buy a printer. Okay,
Printer.
printer is just what about 1 million rupiah. So it is more than 330,000 rupiah, right? So you
Rupiah.
know what? After I just hold, do not buy this. I don't want to buy this. But after 3 days, I'm still alive.
Oh.
So it indicates that I don't need that.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that is the point. So that is the strategy. Yeah. If you like something more than 300,000 rupiah, if the price is more than 330 rupiah, thousand rupiah, so you need to wait for 3 days or even 30 days. If it's still in your mind, grinding in your mind, just buy it.
That's right. Okay.
One of the example, you want to buy iPhone. Yeah. iPhone is just like 5 million. Yeah.
Yeah,
5 million.
yes.
But it's still stuck in your mind. Yeah. Within 4 days, I want, what is it? I cannot live without iPhone. Okay, buy it.
Oh, just
Yeah, you can buy it. So that is the strategy. The strategy is 330.
330.
Yeah.
3 days, 30 days.
Wait for 3 days until 30 days. So that is the so that is the clue that I
Oh,
want to share to all of you, to you, Sarita. 3 days. If the price more than 330,000 rupiah, yeah, just wait for 3 days until
three
30
days.
days. If it still keep reminding in your mind, so it means that you need it.
Oh,
But if this
that's good.
if it is gone, it means that you do not need it. Okay, you like it, just take it to your chart, take it to your keranjang or something. Just let it go for
Let it go first.
3 days.
And if we still want it, we have to buy it.
Buy it. Okay. If you cannot do that, yeah, okay, still okay without that kind of item or product. So that happened to me.
Oh,
Yeah. So I just put that in my keranjang
huh?
or chart and then just let it go. But it still keep grinding in my mind. Buy it. So that's the point. So that's the good point.
That's
Even when my
good.
laptop is broken, was broken, the price is only 200, 250, 200, sorry, 250,000 rupiah. But one day without laptop, I cannot live my life. I cannot
So,
work. And then what happened? Tomorrow, I went to, tomorrow, I go to service. I go to
yeah,
service and I change the, what is it? Change for the battery about
battery.
250,000 rupiah.
Because we cannot live if our battery die.
Yeah, of course, because this is essential item, right?
Essential, yeah, that is.
Essential item, and this item will give you all of the benefit. Yes, without this,
Yeah,
I
that's
cannot make money. I cannot share my material. I cannot write down. I cannot do my job. So that is. And for you, Sarita, so I recommend you to have an tablet.
oh, I have that one.
Okay, you have that one.
Yeah, because I have online class too.
This is a
Mhm.
good one. Yeah, so
I
that
don't
is
want to rent my own handphone.
okay, your own
Yeah.
handphone because it's not really cool. But you can use yeah, of course, you can use laptop, you can use also yeah, I recommend you to have a tablet. Yeah. So what kind of tablet do you have?
The mark,
Yeah, brand.
the brand Xiaomi. No Xiaomi. What's
Mi
that?
Pad, Huawei.
Redmi.
Oh, Redmi.
That's cheaper than iPad.
Okay, of course.
Mm.
Yeah, Xiaomi. Oh, sorry, Redmi.
Redmi,
Redmi.
Redmi.
Redmi 2? Mi Pad 2?
Redmi, no Redmi SE. SE.
SE.
Yeah.
Redmi
That's
S
only one around 2 millions.
2 millions. Okay, so the what is it? The specification is worth it for your needs.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's because I just yeah on my tablet I just download like Microsoft Teams and also games that
Okay, yeah, so that is one of the good
use
thing
that for that one.
you said for that one. So because why when you have a tablet, so it means that so you look professional.
Yeah,
Yes, you
yeah,
look professional. Really, I'm telling you the truth that if you still use this like this, yeah, so it is very personal. But when you
yeah.
have a tablet, when you are handheld tablet, so I believe that you can be like professional. Yeah, you look like professional way.
Yeah.
Yeah. All
And
right.
also tablet more was that more more ringan saya lupa Pak.
More
Ringan
a
atau
little
sih?
bit light,
Oh, little
very
bit
light.
than laptop. Yeah,
Very light, yeah,
yeah.
very light, of course. Yeah,
Just
I
yeah.
think so. That is one of my wish list, another wish list for the next years, I guess. Yeah, so
Oh,
I'm looking for a tablet, and but before that, I think I still okay with my laptop.
oh, I think you have to buy that one.
Yeah. So I do not have to wait for 30 days, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe before 2025 uh what is it? Gone, so I need to have this one. Okay. So, that was about for the first, for the third session in this IELTS. I think so. We can find out that. So this is one of the good point that I want to show to you, Sarita. And I would like to give you, what is it? I would like to give you this, what is it? This